Hi, my name is Denise, and I'm a student at CSUMB and a service learner for the Monterey County Free Libraries. And today, for Make It Monday, we're going to do cupcake liner flowers. And this is how it looks. And you only need a few items for this. And you'll need cupcake holders, the liners, with the variety of colors, or you could turn around and get the white ones and just color them. You'll need some glue, and you'll need the smaller liners as well. You can have a marker and a popsicle stick, tape, and scissors. And that's what you'll need. So we take and flatten this out just a little bit so we can fold it. And then take and fold it in half, and we're going to fold it 4 times. So that's 1, 2. Okay, I think I got that straight. 3. Okay, one more time. 4. Now, what we're going to do is flip it, because I think it's a little bit easier when you cut going this way. And we're going to curve it a little bit so you can make the petals. We're going to do it from the side that's flat, not the open part. And we're going to pick up our scissors and we're going to cut at an angle. Okay. Curve it just a little bit and come on down. Let's see how this turns out. Let's see if we can open it up. Look at our creation here. Now keep in mind, we're going to do the same thing on the smaller one, but just remember that it's a little bit smaller. And let's see. All right, open this up, and there we have it. There's one. So then we'll do the same thing with our yellow. Pretty. So now we'll take the glue and we'll stick this flower on top of here. Put a little bit of dab in the middle. And place that right there. Let that dry for a little bit. Now, what you can do in the middle, I had some little stickies that I got from the Dollar Tree, which are really nice because I like colors. You can place that right in the middle, but if you don't have that, you can just make a little design right in the middle with the black marker. So our popsicle stick, we will take and color it. Okay. Thanks for joining me on Make It Monday, and I hope you enjoyed making our cupcake liner flowers. All right, hope you have a wonderful day and see you soon.